Oftentimes people think it's impossible to build muscle on a ketogenic diet because you don't have the carbohydrates or insulin. But our lab was one of the first ones to show that when you eat a well-formulated ketogenic diet and have ketones elevated, you have these muscle-sparing effects of ketones, but also this anabolic or muscle-building effects of ketones that can happen, where you can gain just as much muscle on a well-formulated ketogenic diet or being in ketosis as you can having a high carbohydrate diet. Ketones act as muscle builders. They actually trigger something known as muscle protein synthesis, very similar to how protein works. So it's really working on both ends of the spectrum to help build muscle and prevent muscle loss. Oftentimes people think that if I drink exogenous ketones, it's going to stop my body's own production of ketones, or what we call endogenous ketones. Well, a recent study from Dr. Volek showed that people who were on a ketogenic diet and supplementing with exogenous ketones did not have any difference in overall ketone levels or fat loss, which means that the exogenous ketones did not blunt this process known as lipolysis or stop fat loss or stop our body from producing its own ketones, or this concept known as ketogenesis.